Hi guys, my name is Alam and today I am going to show you how to forward call in OnePlus Nord or any model of OnePlus phones. So guys, let's learn something new today. To forward call in OnePlus phones, you have to open your dialer pad, then click on this three dot, then click on settings. On this settings page, you have to click on calling account and this interface will open. On this page, you have to click on advanced settings or you can have carrier call settings option. Click on that, this interface will open. Here you can see call forwarding option. You have to click on call forwarding and you have to wait for few seconds. It will read your SIM card. Then you will have this four option: always forward, when busy, when unanswered, when unreachable. You have to select any one according to your need. Then in this box you have to type that number on which you want to forward your call, or you can click on this plus icon and select that contact from your contact list and then click on this done icon and wait for few seconds. Your call will be forwarded on that number. As you can see, my call has been forwarded on this number. If you want to disable call forwarding, come to the same page, just click on it and wait for few seconds. Your call forwarding will be disabled. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.